I've got the Powerbeats Pro tools, and I'll be showing you how to control these Powerbeats with your Android phone. So if you go to the Play Store and install the Beats app, so in the Play Store, just go ahead and install the Beats app. This app right here, it's by Apple and it's used for the Powerbeats Pro. So once you launch this app and you have your earbuds connected to your Android phone via Bluetooth, then you actually have the luxury to get the extra controls that iPhone users normally get with AirPods. So for instance, you have your battery levels. You can see the battery levels of the buds and of the case here. Now, for some reason, this app is always in dark mode. Even though I don't want it to be in dark mode, it's always in dark mode. So anyway, the app is there. You can see the battery percentage of the case and of the buds. You have your noise controls here, and if you wear your earbuds, then first you can see the battery percentage of the individual buds, and then you have the noise controls. You have noise cancellation. You can turn off noise controls, or you can enable transparency, depending on what you want, really. You also have the option to rename your Powerbeats Pro. You have the features. You can enable and disable automatic ear detection. You can do all the stuff you normally do on the iPhone app right here on Android if you install the app and you have them connected via Bluetooth. All right. Now, you can even measure your heart rate using your Powerbeats Pro tools. You can, it says open your fitness app or make sure the Powerbeats Pro is near compatible fitness equipment to connect heart rate monitoring. All right. So you kind of have to connect the Powerbeats to an app or the fitness app on your phone if you have any compatible fitness app. But that is basically how to use the Powerbeats Pro app on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.